Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 1970 Plymouth GTX, just like the last one I did, except this one the customer chose to go with a new harness, which greatly increases the output power from about 4 watts per side to 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers. And this comes from Dylan in St. Joseph, Missouri. Missouri is my home state, and I used to perform in St. Joseph when I played in rock bands. So this is kind of a special customer here, and. So Dylan's requested just the basic FM conversion, internal conversion to add FM and increase the output power. So let's go ahead and test her out before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate a few of the functions during talk radio. So here we go.
An airman lighting himself on fire in front of the Israeli embassy, demanding that Lloyd Austin set up a left wing.
Okay, so we're going to test our original left-right balance control.
These people would have been rated out
left
earlier. So the problem is it's politically correct to try to chase down Caucasian males serving in the military, and it is politically incorrect.
Now since this now has 4 speaker outputs, we also have a virtual front-rear fader. It's in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how we activate and adjust that.
And I believe that we're going to find out that this person...
Okay, we're going to give our tone control 2 turns upward, returning into the center position each time.
And New Orleans was looked into previously, but they're...
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Because they didn't want
with
to
the same control.
violate some DEI crap that they had in the military. So the time for this is over. We need to look at people only as Americans and people.
Fader set. Okay, now we're going to move over to
FM. Their religious affiliation.
And if your radio does not have an AM/FM switch, then you switch bands by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up a few stations.
There's a middle-aged man who's lost his son after
which we saw in New Orleans, and Jeremy
nosotros pecadores
and starts helping.
When I was 50% of us haven't made it.
To give my air an inch.
Watch him die.
Uriah Romero.
People 50 or older.
Okay, so as you can see, we got quite a few FM stations here. Now let's try the 8-track. Now on this radio, you want to turn it down pretty far before you put in a tape in. One of the reasons that I replaced the original preamp with my special preamp is because my preamp provides a nice treble boost to compensate for head wear. And so on a head that's got some wear, I got to crank the volume up pretty high on the 8-track to get the clarity. So let's go ahead and test the 8-track. Okay, end of a song there. Check head alignment, no crosstalk. Wait for the next song to start. Pull the tick out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on when it's supposed to. And it is. Yep, yeah, we're good. All right, so she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And from that website, on the home page, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because almost all your questions will be answered on the work order. It's got all my options and prices, including options for turn time. And if you're serious about sending in your radio in, you have to fill one out anyway, so please make that the first step. And that way, when you call me, it's just to answer a quick last-minute question, and it's not like a 15-minute barrage of